Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered about the names of common birds around us? Let's explore the names of some fantastic feathered creatures. Let's get started. Sparrow. Pigeon. Owl. Duck. Hen. Rooster. Turkey. Peacock. Crow. Parrot. Crane. Quail. Dove. Robin. Swan. Goose. Eagle. Toucan. Blue jay. Falcon. Hawk. Vulture. Pelican. Kingfisher. Hummingbird. Cuckoo. Sandpiper. Woodpecker. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.